In this video, I will show you how to link Asana to Google Calendar. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser and search for asana.com. Sign in to your account, and once signed in, go ahead and head over into the project that you're currently working on that you want to connect on Google Calendar. Click on this drop down at the right side of the project name and then click on sync or export from here and then click on Google Calendar. So as you can see in here, you need to go ahead and open Google Calendar on another tab. So go ahead and open Google Calendar from another tab. And once you're on Google Calendar, click on this plus button at the right side of the other calendar section to be able to add other calendars to your Google Calendar. Click on from URL from here and head over to Asana. Copy this link and head back to Google Calendar and paste the link. Click on add calendar, and the events that you have on your current project on Asana would be synced with your Google Calendar, and that is how you can basically link your Asana to Google Calendar. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.